During the left period, a vast cannabis empire was formed in the entire state of Tripura, although it came under control for a small period of time after the new government came into power. But all of a sudden, the cannabis trade has increased leaps and bounds under the state BJP government, though it boasts about with the slogan of Nesha Mukt Tripura. Shonamura subdivision has remained in the limelight as the hunting ground for cannabis cultivation in the entire state. Most of the time, the locals plant large quantity of cannabis saplings in private places, including vast areas of the forest department. This year too, the cannabis cultivators planted huge number of saplings in the Kalamchora area. Receiving the information, police conducted an operation to destroy the saplings that lasted for 3 hours from around 11 am in the morning till 2 pm in the afternoon on Wednesday. About 8,000 cannabis saplings were destroyed in the raid in Kalamchora area. Police personnel led by OC Vishnupada Bhumik and TSR has been able to destroy a huge gaja garden in Khashtila area in Kalamchora. The OC at first had cut these cannabis plants with a shovel and later destroyed the trees again so that these trees can no longer grow.
আজকে যে আমরা গাজার বীজ অভিযানে যাই সেটা হলো সাউথ কলমছড়া। সেখানে আমরা মোট ৮,০০০-এর মতো গাঁজা গাছ রোপণ করেছি।
কি মানে সরকারি জায়গা না?
এটা মার্গ এখনো জানা যায়নি, সম্ভবত এটা ফরেস্ট ল্যান্ড হবে।
এই অভিযান কি আগামী দিনও কি
এই অভিযান আগামী দিনে এরকম অভিযান চলতে থাকবে।
However, it could be known that apart from Khashland, there are several cannabis cultivation gardens under the forest department, but no action are taken against those. Bureau Report, Halabor.